Good day. Welcome to Lawyer Up by NDV Law. This is Attorney Karlo Nicolas, Senior Partner of Nicolas and Vega Law Offices. In today's video, we will talk about what should be placed in your food product labels, which are all required by the Philippine Food and Drug Administration. The FDA is tasked by law to prescribe standards, guidelines, and regulations with respect to information, advertisements, and other marketing instruments, sponsorships, and marketing activities about health products. With the aim of providing coherence in the FDA's regulatory system for food establishments and pre-packaged food products, Administrative Order Number 2014-0030 was issued by the FDA. One effective national food safety and control system is consumer information about the food product through its label. The term label is defined as any display of written, printed, or graphic matter upon the immediate container of any article. Now let's go to the meat. Here are the parts of a food product label which are required by the FDA. Number 1. The Principal Display Panel or PDP or the Alternative Principal Display Panel. The PDP is that part of the package label which is readily seen by the consumer. The Alternate Principal Display Panel refers to the other surface of the package that is also suitable for display as PDP. In the PDP, the product identity name and the net content declaration of the food product must be indicated. The area of the PDP shall be determined by multiplying the height with the width of the label, in which case a rectangular package. When the container is cylindrical or nearly cylindrical, the area is 40% of the value of the height of the container times the circumference. Now, in case the shape of the container is not a rectangle or cylinder, the area shall be determined by getting the 40% of the total surface area, in such case the tops, bottoms, flanges of cans, and shoulders and necks of the bottles and the jars. All of these are excluded. Number 2, the information panel. Now in the information panel, all the minimum mandatory information required by the FDA must be found. These include the product name or the name of the food, the use of the brand name or trademark, the complete list of ingredients, the net contents and the drained weight, the name and address of the manufacturer, repacker, packer, importer, trader, and distributor, the lot identification, the storage condition, expiry or expiration date, food allergen information, directions for use, and nutrition facts. The product name refers to the name of the food that indicates the true nature of the food and shall normally be specific and not generic. For the consumer's better understanding of the true nature and condition of the food, the label must contain, either in conjunction with or in close proximity to the product name of the food, such additional words or phrases as are necessary to state the type of packaging, medium, form, or style, and the condition or type of treatment it has undergone. For example, dried, frozen, frozen-dried, concentrated, smoked, reconstituted, and many others. The product name or name of the food shall be presented prominently in the principal display panel in bold letters and shall be in a size reasonably related to the biggest printed matter in such panel. For example, the trademark or the brand name. Now, under this FDA order, the net content declaration should be specified using the metric system or measurement or the SI or the International System of Units. This should be found on either the principal display panel or the information panel and in parallel to the base of the package. The FDA requires that the net content declaration must be made in the following manner. Number 1, for liquid food by volume. Number 2, for solid food by weight, except when such food are sold by number, a declaration of the count should be made. Number 3, for semi-solid food or viscous food, either by weight or by volume. Now, food packed in a liquid medium, normally discarded before consumption, shall carry a declaration of drained weight. For multi-unit retail packages, a statement of the quantity of the contents on the outside of the package should include the number of individual units, the net content of each individual unit, and in parentheses, the total quantity of contents of the multi-unit package. A multi-unit retail package may thus be properly labeled as 20 times 10 gram sachets, net weight 200 grams, or 6 times 300 ml bottles, or 1.8 liters, or 10 ml. The complete list of ingredients shall be declared in descending order of proportion on either the principal display panel or information panel. A specific name, not a collective generic name, should be used for an ingredient. The name and address of the manufacturer, repacker, packer, importer, trader, or distributor of the food shall also be declared on the label of locally manufactured products. The corporate head office address would suffice if there are several branches or offices. Now, if the food is prepackaged and is not manufactured by the person or company whose name appears on the label, the name must be qualified by parenthesis manufactured for or packed for or any similar expression. For imported products, the complete name and address of the importer and the country of origin should be indicated. Now, in case the products carrying foreign brands or manufactured under license by a foreign company, the name and address of the foreign company shall be in letters and size not bigger than those used for the local company. When a food undergoes processing in a second country or in another country, which changes its nature, the second country or other country in which the processing is performed shall be considered to be the country of origin for the purposes of labeling. The lot identification code should be embossed or otherwise permanently marked individually on the immediate packages or containers. For prepackaged food in multi-unit retail packages, such as candies with surface areas of less than 10 square centimeters, the same may be exempted from the requirements of lot identification code only when they are sold together in the primary packaging. The label should also have a barcode, which should include, number 1, the Philippine country code, number 2, the company code, number 3, the product code, and finally, the check digit. The nutrition facts or declarations, or otherwise known as the nutrition information or nutritive value, refers to the standardized statement or listing of nutrient content of a food. The nutrition facts or declaration should likewise be indicated in the information panel of the food product. Nutrition labeling is the description intended to inform the consumer of the nutritional properties of the food product. So now we have covered what should be placed in your food product labels as required by the Philippine Food and Drug Administration. If this video has been helpful, please subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the subscribe button. You can also visit our website, ndvlaw.com, to learn more about legal matters in the Philippines. Thank you for watching Lawyer Up by NDV Law. Once again, I'm Karlo Nicolas of Nicolas and the Vega Law Offices.